Fact 24. Jamaicans are inventors. We have two famous inventors, Thomas P. Lecky. In the field of agriculture, he developed a new breed of cattle that were specifically created to thrive in the Jamaican tropical condition. And we also have Professor Manley West and Dr. Albert Lockhart, who developed an eye drop called Canasol to treat glaucoma, which affects 3% of our Jamaican population. Also, in the early 1990s, Professor West developed a drug, Asthmasol, to treat asthma, colds, and also flu. Isn't that wonderful? We have all these hard-working, creative men and women in our country that are doing so much good for the health and well-being of all. Happy Independence, Jamaica, and thanks for watching. You can follow me on my social media on Facebook at tanya.hernandez.9440234 or on my Instagram at Doraytee, Doraytee. You can also follow me on YouTube. Just put in Tania Hernandez or Miss Tania Lou. And you can also go on my website, TaniaLHernandez.com. What good?